Hi guys, I hope you are doing very great. So let's start with the Snowflake learning journey. And in this video, we are going to cover the warehouse, the concept. So before we go into more detail of how we can use the Snowflake platform, we first want to discuss at high level what actually is a data warehouse, and this might be helpful for you to understand how to work with the snowflakes, right? As well as to have the general concept of the data warehouse. It is always be great because let's say you are going for interview, so they ask for the concept and what is the purpose of data warehouse, right? The As you can see that the data warehouse is the database that combine different data from the different data sources into the one consumer that purpose to the reporting and the analytics. Mostly the data warehouse you can see they are for the reporting purpose, or it's a doing the analytics on top of that, visualizing the data, right? We have the visualizing tool like Tableau, Power BI. So if you have a collection of all the data in one place, it is easy to understand and it is easy to do the analysis on that database. So if you can see the diagram, and as I said, the data warehouse is a combination of different sources. Different sources, it could be the um, structural data, non-structural data. Data is coming from the Parquet, data is coming from the CSV, JSON. So those are the data is coming, and we are transforming the data and storing into the data warehouse. Let's start with let's we have we call the stage, right? It's a staging area we call in a general term. If you so whenever we let's say in your company we have a different department, HR department, account department, IT department. Every department is generating their own data, right? So and after that you have the let's say you have a product like a banking system, and that the banking system is also generating those data, right? So if you want to analyze the data in directly the live data, it is not recommended and it is not good practice also. You cannot do that because you don't have the capability. You cannot directly go to the live data, and you cannot select, and you cannot put all the transformation, put the all the business logics, and you cannot get the what you required as a data visualization. If right, so lot of data is generated, right? So what we are doing in the data warehouse, we will collect all the data from all the sources into one place. That is called we stage. We are that's a staging area that put everything into one place, and after that we apply the transformation on transforming the data. We apply all the business logic. We apply all kind of data cleaning, data policing. We do that over in that data, transforming the data. Finally, we will move the data into the warehouse, and it is become one source of your truth for the business and the reporting team, or and as a developer you design the uh, reports, dashboards using that your using your warehouse database, correct? And if your data warehouse is uh, designed very well. So it is give business to make good decision making, because if you have a good data, if you have a good analytics, you are representing in your report, that is giving the business to take a decision, right? I'll take a one example. Let's say in a policy, correct? And in the policy, we have, we there in policy is running by the risk, correct? Let's say motor insurance. We have a motor insurance, and one of the area, it's a very um, high accidental area, correct? So risk for that area is high. So if you are representing your report in the such a way and to the business or the underwriter team, uh, in and they can visualize, oh my, this area is giving a lot of accidents are happening. So for that particular area, it should be insurance should be high, correct? So decision making is very easy using your data warehouse, because you are doing the analytics top of that. That's it for today and this video, and I hope you understand the concept of the warehouse before moving to the actual snowflakes practice and those things. So I hope it is helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.